Right, I put a video out on doing weighted back extensions with a barbell the other day. My buddy Rodney was in the comments saying he wishes he could do them, but he doesn't have a 45-degree back extension. So I'm going to show you how you can do this with a squat rack. Just to take a barbell, put it on the J-cups so that the bar is pushing against the uprights. Put something heavy on the floor. I got two 60-pound dumbbells to put my heels against. I got a hip thrust pad on the barbell. Barbell just across my hips, right below my stomach. And as you can see with the dumbbells, I'm doing body weight. I can do 50-pound dumbbells in my hands without my feet popping up off the floor. We'll see it from the side angle here. And you can adjust the angle on it. You just move the dumbbells or whatever you're using as weight back further and then lower the bar down on the squat rack with the J-cups. As you can see here, easy 60-pound dumbbells. My feet aren't moving at all. If I don't have the weights behind them, I just flip over the bar. Now another option is if you have band peg holders, like I do, the holes along the bottom, you can take an appropriate size bar. So I got 1 inch, I got a 1 inch bar slipped through there. This works actually really, really well. Now I can just put my feet against the 1 inch bar. It's not going anywhere. There's no chance of it slipping or moving. Again, hips up against the barbell, ready to rock. This way, I mean, I could do heavy weighted back extensions. It's comfortable enough on my hips. Actually, it doesn't feel terrible at all with the hip thrust pad in there. And I can rock out weighted back extensions. Hopefully someone out there finds this helpful. Have a great night.